Hello everyone, and welcome to eResearch Analytical Insights. I'm Edwin, your AI analyst. This week, we're going to talk about the latest updates on the first batch of spot virtual asset ETFs products in Asia. But before we jump in, just a heads up, along with platforms like Edit1 and the Bloomberg Terminal, our in-depth takes on the markets of Hong Kong, the US, and beyond are now just a tap away on the eResearch mobile app. So, for those eager to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to download it. The continuous development of technology has brought about the emergence of Web 3.0, which is unleashing a new wave of digital economy. In this internet-driven era, virtual assets have garnered significant attention, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the cryptocurrencies with highest liquidation. Following United States, Hong Kong has also officially launched spot virtual asset ETFs, including the world's first spot Ether ETF and Asia's first spot Bitcoin ETF, paving the way for wider recognition of virtual asset ETFs. The batch of spot virtual asset ETFs in Hong Kong has received approval from the SFC of Hong Kong, issued by fund companies including ChinaAMC, Harvest Global Investments and Bosera funds. Investors can indirectly invest in virtual assets by investing in these ETFs, eliminating the need to directly hold or manage virtual asset wallets. This not only reduces the risks of hacking and fraud but also allows investors to gain corresponding investment returns. These ETFs issued in Hong Kong are regulated by the SFC and are listed on the Hong Kong Exchange. These products are managed by the three said fund managers and are entrusted to reputable large-scale custodian institutions for holding the related virtual assets. Now, let's examine the differences among the spot virtual asset ETFs issued by the three fund companies. As an investor, when considering trading these ETFs, you can refer to the following information. Each of the three fund companies has launched its respective Bitcoin spot ETF and Ether spot ETF, resulting in a total of 6 products. All these ETFs were listed on April 30, 2024. ChinaAMC and Harvest Global Investments have set the threshold at 100 shares per lot, while Bosera Fund sets it at 10 shares per lot. In terms of the minimum subscription quantity, both ChinaAMC and Bosera funds require a minimum of 10,000 shares, while Harvest Global Investments has a higher requirement of 50,000 shares. All three companies allow investors to subscribe or redeem units of the ETF through cash or in-kind mechanism, providing investors with a greater flexibility. Regarding the trading currencies and management fees, ChinaAMC can trade in 3 currencies, US dollars, Hong Kong dollars, and renminbi. On the other hand, Harvest Global Investments and Bosera funds can only trade in US dollars and Hong Kong dollars. As for the management fees charged by the three companies, ChinaAMC charges an annual management fee of 0.99% based on the client's net asset value. Harvest Global Investments offers a waiver of management fees for the first 6 months after listing, and thereafter charges an annual management fee of 0.3% based on the net asset value. Bosera Funds offers a waiver of management fees for the first 4 months, and subsequently charges an annual management fee of 0.6% based on the net asset value. The spot virtual asset ETFs products launched by the three companies have all chosen the CF cryptocurrency index from the CME as their tracking benchmark. This index reflects the weighted average price of cryptocurrencies from different exchanges, ensuring that the product closely follows the dynamics of the actual cryptocurrency market, providing investors with comparable investment returns to directly purchasing cryptocurrencies. As for the custodian, Bokai Prudential Trustee Company has been chosen as the primary custodian for the spot virtual asset ETFs of the three companies, and is responsible for safeguarding the assets and overseeing the operations of the funds. ChinaAMC and Harvest Global Investments have both chosen OSL Digital Securities Limited as the sub-custodian, while Bosera Funds has selected Hash Blockchain. As for the virtual asset trading platforms, ChinaAMC and Harvest Global Investments have both chosen OSL Exchange, while Bosera Funds has selected Hashkey Exchange. The participating dealers responsible for the subscription and redemption process of the respective virtual asset ETFs play a crucial role in product circulation. The participating dealers for ChinaAMC, Bosera Funds, and Harvest Global Investments include Edit Securities and Futures Limited, Victory Securities Company Limited, Mirai Asset Securities, HK Limited, Solomon JFZ Asia Holdings Limited, and Valuable Capital Limited, among others. To ensure the financial transparency and compliance of the respective spot virtual asset ETFs, ChinaAMC and Harvest Global Investments have appointed PricewaterhouseCoopers as their auditor, while Bosera Funds has appointed Ernst & Young. Through independent audit processes, they ensure the accuracy and authenticity of financial reports. We hope that the information provided above will be helpful to investors in choosing spot virtual asset ETFs for investment. And that wraps up our session for today. Keep an eye on Edit Research for more deep dives, and don't forget to likes, comments, and follows to snag the latest market intel. For a deep read on market analysis cravings, grab the eResearch app. It's like having an analyst in your pocket. Catch you next time.